Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about adding shadows to your web designs. I see a lot of designers using like heavy shadows for chords and everything, and I just want to talk about adding light shadows. So if you want to add shadows, and that's a big decision because adding shadows will look good, but not everything needs shadow. Flat design can be very easy to navigate through, but if you want to add shadow just to elevate it something a little bit, um, add a little shadow, so something like this one which has 5% opacity shadow, or even smaller than that, because if you add shadows like something like 2xl, this is too much um, for like a flat design. If this comes in a model, or if this comes in a slider from the sidebar, that's fine. But if it's just a sidebar, we don't need this much shadow, maybe even nothing. So this sidebar, I wouldn't add any shadows. But for things like this select drop down or this input box, I've added a little shadow. So it's very little. It's, I think, probably shadow SM. So yeah, so adding shadows through input select dropdown will look good, will make it stand out as selectable elements. But again, you have to use as little as possible. If you're using Tailwind design system, I recommend Tailwind SM for everything. Everything like inputs, buttons, and other select boxes, things like that. And for models, sliders, I recommend going the other way, Tailwind 2XL. So that gives us good heavy shadows, but nothing in between. Don't add shadows for cause it might look tacky. So uh, ignore that. And for dark mode, so if this is in dark mode, I have removed the shadows because I'll add a better like more contrast on the borders. So in dark mode, the borders will look good, but in light mode, borders with the shadows will look good. So yeah, that's how I use shadows. So let me know if this was helpful, and I can go even deeper into how shadows are helpful in web UI, and in landing pages it's a different story. So yeah, let me know if you want that. And that's it for now. Bye bye.